Hello and welcome to another video. Obviously I'm at a football ground, Folkestone Invicta in Folkestone, Kent. Lovely little ground, artificial pitch as you can see. It still looks good though. There is some covered standing behind that goal. On the halfway line on that side looks like some standing that goes up, but obviously I'm going to say not covered, no cover over that way, and also behind that goal open standing. But yeah, some seating that's covered here, the posh seats. Yeah, nice little ground. And that's the clubhouse, I think. Yeah, the seasider. Loads of little bits and pieces for you to sit down and have a drink. There's a snack bar, and they're the turnstiles. I get a shot of them on the way out, and we'll go from there. But yeah, thanks to the gentleman that let me in. Much appreciated. I've done high football ground, so we'll do this one. This is the inside of the turnstiles, a bit closer. It's actually a memorial wall. Memorial wall. It's always nice. Nice little painting on the wall, spray paint. Done a good job of that, the lighthouse on the harbour. And these are the turnstiles, only two at the front of the ground. That'll be the entrance to the bar, clubhouse, etc. But yeah, nice little ground. Make sure you check out their fixtures. Easy to have a little Google if you're in the area and follow them. It's nice to have a nice local club. So if you're in the area, check out how they're doing and when their next match is. It's coming towards the end of the season now, so hopefully could be some important games coming up.